We're into Friday and looking at the scorecard since the weekly open. It's the New Zealand dollar that stands out, up about 1.25% since things got going on Monday, while the pound sits on the other end of the spectrum, down about 1% on the week into Friday. The rest of the actively traded currencies are consolidating within tighter ranges, though euro price action has been the most notable, given the single currency's proximity to the 2018 low against the US dollar. The technicals have become increasingly compelling here, with the major pair having been so well supported on dips into and below 113 over the past several months. We're sitting at a critical inflection point where that next break in either direction will likely inspire a more impactful move in broader FX. Fundamentally, there continues to be a lot of uncertainty out there. Some of the big stories include U.S.-China trade, Brexit, Spanish and Italian political instability, and this latest news of an executive order from President Trump declaring a national state of emergency to secure border wall funding. What continues to be an important takeaway in financial markets in recent years is how incredibly influential political forces have been as far as dictating direction goes. Looking at the economic data, Thursday's horrid U.S. retail sales print has been the big story, with the data dealing a blow to confidence in the U.S. dollar and perhaps somewhat surprisingly, U.S. equities that have made a habit of rallying on softer U.S. data, given the comfort to investors that this will result in lower for longer monetary policy accommodation. We wonder if this is the type of sign that has been long overdue in a market that may once again be getting in position to actually respond negatively to bad news, with the knowledge that though the Fed may be inclined to hold off on the normalization process, this does not equate with rate cuts and big moves to loosen an already exhausted strategy with nothing left in the tank. Looking ahead, key standouts on the calendar include UK retail sales, Eurozone trade, and US releases that include Empire Manufacturing, industrial production, and Michigan sentiment. That's all for now.